ARD360 Layer Management functions. To use the drawing function, the layers must be activated. Click on the Layers menu to display the Layer Management function. List of available layers will be displayed. New layers can be created using the Create New Layer menu. Enter the name for the new layer. Next, choose Layer Type. The default is All, which will enable all geometries, points, lines, and polygon, or select each one of them individually. Select the layer icon to use with the layer. Layer color is for its color. Click on the Create button to create the layer. To perform drawing on the newly created layer, click on the layer and this will activate it. Once the layer is active, the drawing menus will be enabled. You can now perform drawings inside the image. The drawing layer visibility can be toggled by clicking on View button. The drawing layer can be exported to various formats such as GeoJSON, KML, KMZ, shapefile. The measurement functions work either when the layer is and isn't active. If you wish to save the measurement function as part of the current layer, make sure the current layer is active before performing the measurements. Similarly, the measurements visibility can be toggled using the View button in the layer.